If you bend down, you see Aba. If you not bend down, you don't go see Aba.
Oh, we love ABIA State. He's a governor indeed. He's God sent to us. We love him, we love him, we love him. I can't do you do.
Good afternoon to you, viewers all over the globe. We're actually here live at Shalom Road, where the ongoing reconstruction of this particular road is taking center stage. We are here to have a pure assessment of the level of work done here so far, and also the length they have actually gone, and also when this place is actually going to be set for use. We here that we are thought we have a pure assessment with the contractors handling this particular Shalom Road, and also get interviews and reactions from the residents who are staying here about how they feel about the ongoing reconstruction of this road. Yeah, my name is Michael Lombo, officially reporting from Model TV.
My name is Noma, and I feel like you guys are really doing a nice work, because when I packed in here, I'm a student actually. When I packed in here, the road was very bad and it was so hard going to school, because it takes me like, let me say, maybe 20 minutes to get to school. But now I feel like it's okay. I can come out to jog. Before I don't come out here to jog, but thanks that the road, I feel it's a very nice project and they're doing a very nice work. And now it takes me, I guess, less than 15 minutes to get to school, and kudos to the team and all.
Okay, now you've been actually monitoring that, you've seen the texture of everything, you've seen how strong this place is. Do you really think that this place can actually last, watching and seeing how they started it from the beginning to this stage? Yeah,
I think it will last, because while I was jogging this morning, I thought they're going to end here. So me going to school and coming back and seeing the second layer that they're laying, I think that the road is going to last. It's going to last. I guarantee that it will last more than 10 years, obviously.
So were you swimming here before they started?
Yeah, I will not really call it swimming, but the road was very bad, because you know that they wanted to do the gutters, then they stopped halfway. So during rainy season, you can't really pass through here. So it was a tough one for us going to school, doing a really nice job.
So what are you telling to the new governor, Dr. ABIA, for remembering you people here?
We are happy. Though I'm not from ABIA State, I'm from Anambra, but we are very, very happy. I'm so happy for his reign and all. I'm super happy.
Well, my name is Siri Peters. They also know me as Stomach Recharge.
Okay,
I sell snack on this road, and the road is very nice. In fact, I am very, very proud and impressed seeing this road. As you can see, this is my my business. I do meat pie, and is but the road for me is exceptional. It's another thing, sir.
Okay, before now you always come here to do your sellings, and how was here before now?
This road is too bad. In fact, if you go down a little bit, you see the holes, you see water and so on. But the road was so it was very bad. But now I think the road is nice and the road is good.
So how do you rate the work so far? Because you're actually almost like a steady user of this particular road. So how do you rate the work here?
Wow, I think the work here is I think 95, in fact 99%. Speed. I think the speed is nicer. Okay. The speed is nice.
So the quality so far, what do you say?
The standard, sir.
So what do you have to tell the guy, Dr. that is actually making sure that this place is motorable?
For me, I would say, sir, kudos. So much Richard, totally for you, sir. And I respect the governor so much, and I know that he's doing very well, sir. Keep doing it, sir. We love you, sir.
Thank you. So, Nema, how do you feel?
Welcome development. Okay. We are really enjoying what you people are doing here so far, and we start schooling very, very soon. And the contractors, they are doing a very good job. Kudos to them.
Okay, so far you've actually seen this road now. How can you rate this road so far?
Let me give it 80 over 100. Yes, 80 over 100, because from the starting, what would I even say? The way it kicks off, is what you have is very solid. The foundation was very, very solid, and it's still like that. So I'm rating it 80 over 100. Let me not give it 100%, because nothing whatsoever is to be 100%. If I should say 100%, people should now reduce. But as far as I'm concerned, it's 80 over 100%.
Okay, before now, what was the experience?
In fact, it's nothing to write home about. It was horrible. Very horrible. Motorists were not passing. Even we that used to use our Legacy Benz, it wasn't easy for us. Poto everywhere.
So what do you tell the governor that is actually making sure?
Oh, we love ABIA State. He's a governor indeed. He's God sent to us. We love him. We love him. We love him. I can't do you do good.
Thank you. How are you?
My name is Dan Ondiwe. Ihe hụrụ na-eme ebe a m ga-asụ Igbo bụ na agafetara m wee hụ ihe na-aga wee ma na ihe kwuru ihe a na-eme ABIA State ọgbalịala ahụ wee na-ekwu na nke a wụ iru ụzọ ọ bụghị iru ụzọ magic. Ihe a na-arụ ebe a wuru ịrụ ụzọ. Onye ọbụla bụ onye Aba bịa ka ọ fụ ihe a na-akpọ ịrụ ụzọ. A na-arụ ụzọ ị na-afụ n'anya abụọ hụ ihe a na-arụ. The thickness of ihe a na-arụ ebe a ihe nhụrụ a na-arụ na Abuja. So when they can end in our even the construction company na Abanikwu, ABIA STATE Abanikwu na Obi Jurum Nobia, yeah, I will mean name there, Obi Uto Jurum, when I say Chineke na Gozelma ABIA STATE, Chukuge Dobi Ando, Mayamandoria, Mandena Aquadia, when I say, no, nka we rules, only Ababia, Funanya, Funanya, Dalun.
All right, good afternoon. My name is Benjamin Ikenna. Actually, when they started this road, we thought it was a joke. Okay. But looking at the way things has gone, we are happy. The people who reside this place are very much happy.
Okay, now before now, how was this place like this? How was it like before?
Well, before it was like this. This place wasn't motorable. Okay. We were trekking, lots of water everywhere. Yeah, I think so.
Like from here to here, where did this road lead to?
From this Umimo, you can connect to Umweze Road. Okay. You can connect to Afule, okay, Teaching Hospital, okay, and the rest of them.
Okay, now like you haven't seen what's been done here so far now. Do you think that this road will last with the nature of work that is actually going on now? Watching both the contractors, how they are doing it, do you think this road will last?
Well, I think we don't need to be told. With the things we have seen with our eyes, I believe the road is going to last for a very long time.
Okay. Right, thank you, sir.
All right.
My name is Mrs. Sowakwe.
Okay.
Ejere.
So how do you feel about the... So like you are watching what is going on here, do you really think that the level of construction that are actually going here is actually going to last, like this road is going to last?
Actually, it's going to last.